Hello, this is Moshumi here. I will create a spring season painting and show you the full steps. So let's get started. At first, I'll quickly sketch the outline of what I want to paint, and I want to paint flowers as spring reminds us of flower. I'll show front door of a mud house including a lamp. I am giving very light pressure to the pencil so that if I erase any stroke, there will be no mark at all left. At this point, I didn't have a scale around me, that is why I used a pencil. When the door is completed, I will sketch the slab. I will end the pencil drawing by sketching the lamp, leaving no flower. I am almost finished sketching and let's proceed for the coloring now. I am using wash pens. You can use watercolor as well. Steps are same for both. I want to give blue color to the door, but the shades will be different. I am taking thin brushes for these parts and I am carefully coloring. I want to give this door a old wooden look which is colored in blue. That is why I am not worried about the straight line finishing. Apply the same process to the other side of the door. To color the wall, I mixed yellow ochre, peach and white. You might not see any difference between this color and yellow ochre, but hold on, I will show the difference. Fill the whole wall with this color only. I don't know the name of the color. If you know, please let me know in the comment section. Also be careful about these edges. Try to use flat brush if you have. Otherwise, use tip of your brush to these edges. I left the blue color to dry out and it is already dried. Now taking another shade of blue color and filling up the inner portion of the door. I'm leaving this thin white portions around these edges. I'll cover this with darker blue, that is why I left it empty. Now leaving this blue color to dry, and let's show you the difference between this color and yellow ochre. I am taking only yellow ochre to fill these parts. Be careful, you are not supposed to use excess water here. Excess water needs a lot of space for one drop, that is why you are not supposed to use excess water. To define the two sides of the door, I am using darker color in the center. What are these two sides called? Please let me know in the comment section too. Before applying the darker shade, check if the color is dried or not. Add the details wherever you feel the need of giving it. because the more details you add, the more beautiful the painting becomes. Now I am creating a chocolatey pink type color shade. But the color didn't turn out to be chocolatey, but I like the finishing of the color. And I'm going with this color for the lamp. Feel free to ask me any information that I didn't include in the video. To show the shadow, I'm giving brown color. You just need to give a darker color than yellow ochre. Now let's jump into the flower portion. All you need to do is just tap. I did not use any water to this color. If I do that, the color will be messy. Using a bit darker color for lamp shading. Now adding a bit white. To show the upper portion of the slab, I used peach color and white color. I mixed it and I applied it. And for the both sides, I used brown color. Now I'm trying to create a gray color without any black color. And I did it. I used a bit blue color, some peach color and white. Also, this color will do the job for the lamp glasses. Now I want to paint some lavender flower, that is why I am using violet color. This is becoming very dark, that is why I am using a bit white and coloring. You just need to tap with the tip of the brush. Using the same color to give the shadow to the light, another layer of shadow to the light. To define the shade behind the lamp, I used a bit brown. Also try to wash the brush before blending. If you have watched my previous videos, I have told that do not totally copy the painting, just take the idea and try to paint it on yourself. Can I give you a tip to paint the leaves? Dip a thin brush into a green color. Remember, do not use any water here and tap wherever you want to give the leaves. And then I'm using a thin brush and a bit darker green color and defining the stems more. Also, I am highlighting the lavender with white. I am just giving a finishing touch before I use any black color. Now I am adding thin black borders. This will enhance the beauty of the painting. We can add many more things to this painting, but I will wrap up this painting here. It looks very beautiful to me. So if you have enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Share this video with someone who likes to paint, who loves to paint. And for more updates, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to connect with me every Sunday as I upload every Sunday. And yes, this is Moshumi signing off. Bye bye.